Let's start by just warming up the spine. So inhale and arch the back. Look up for a moment. Exhale, tuck the pelvis under. Take the head down. Inhale, start to arch the spine. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Hold it there for a moment. Feel the back muscles. Exhale, round. Now with your back rounded, let's hold it for 5 breaths just to activate the full body. Start to feel the activation in your shoulders and pull the stomach in as much as you can. 5 breaths here. 1, 2, nice calm breathing, no stress. 3, 4 and 5. One more time, just inhale as you release the spine, arch the back, and exhale, rounded back position. Hold it here for a moment. We're going to take it to a downward dog. Start by coming on the toes and then inhale, just hover the knees off the mat. Push with your hands, lift your tailbone up and push away from the hands. So the shoulders are moving away from the wrist and then the legs are nice and straightened. It might be difficult for you to get the heels down, no problem. Just keep the heels up as much as you can. Don't compromise on the length of the back. So avoid this position with the shoulders coming forward and the spine is not really getting a good stretch here. Rather than that, just push back with the hands and keep the knees bent. This is a much better position than that. So it will really lengthen out the back. And now let's start walking out the dog. So bend one knee towards the chest, other knee towards the chest. Keep going. One knee in, other knee in. For 5. Inhale one side, exhale other side. 4. Try to really slow down the breath. Breath should be the most important part of the practice. 2 and 1. Now let's bend both knees together at the same time. So inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. As much as you can, try to straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Good. 3 more times. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, straighten the knees. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. One more time. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Just hold it here for a breath. The gaze is right at the knees or the thighs, or if it's even possible, you can try to look towards the navel. Just one deep breath in, one deep breath out, and let's take some rest. Balasana, child's pose. Bring the head down, release the hands, let the hands relax.
Bring both your legs out in front of you, pointing the toes inwards. See to that your back is straight and the spine is extended with the chest opening, giving your body and your lungs enough space to breathe. The ribcage should have enough space for your lungs to be able to expand. As you inhale, you raise both the arms up, extending the spine further, bringing the hands in line with the ears. As you exhale, you bring the chin out and come down as low as you can. If you can, you hold your toes and bring the elbows down on either side of your feet, bringing your forehead to rest on your legs. If you can even take the arms around your feet and come down. As you raise up, you bring the hands in line with the ears. Inhale, extend the spine upwards. Exhale, bring both the hands down.